IDNext's machine status menu provides real-time monitoring of the regulation status. To access the machine status menu, unlock the keyboard by pressing the down arrow for 5 seconds until UNL appears. Press the Set button. You can change the set point, view the temperature values read by the sensors, configure the clock, and view the active alarms. The machine status menu also includes preset application, firmware IDF, and release instrument model. Programming. The installer menu contains all the configuration parameters and is password protected. To access the installer menu, press the down arrow for 5 seconds until UNL appears. Press and hold the Set button for 5 seconds until DIF appears. Use the arrow keys to scroll to PA2. Press Set. Enter the installer password, default 15. Confirm by pressing Set. The installer menu is a list of folders which contain the configuration parameters for each regulator.